In your manufacturing company, are the employees working or the employees moving? There is a big difference between working and moving. In many cases, people are not able to clearly differentiate between work and the movement. And in this video, we are going to learn about working versus moving. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and welcome to Kaizen Club. In this video, we are going to learn about working versus moving. Lean philosophy talks about waste elimination. When we talk about waste elimination, people always think about reducing the transportation waste, inventory, motion, all those typical 7 wastes of lean manufacturing. And today, in this video, we are going to talk about one particular waste, the motion waste, the employee movement. That's what we are going to learn. When you observe an employee's movement in the shop floor, there will be a lot of movements, right? And if you can segregate, if you can analyze these movements, you will be able to see only a few movements will result in the transformation of the product. All the remaining movements will not add any value to the product. For example, let us say a person is doing a drilling operation. So initially the person has to move and bring the parts. So there is a transportation and then there is a physical movement. The motion waste is also there. Then the person has to pick the component which is not adding any value to the product. There is no transformation in the product. Then he is loading into the machine. No transformation again. And now he is switching on the machine. Again, no transformation. Once the machine is on, then only the tool starts the drilling activity. So that during that time there is a transformation. And after that, the person switches off the machine. So the work stops. And after that, the person is unloading the component, is putting it in a bin, and sometimes the entire bin has to be kept in the floor, or he has to do a twisting motion and keep it in the other side, and then pick the next component, load it in the machine, switch on the machine. So all these movements where there is no transformation of the product, they are all wasteful movements, right? There are sometimes people searching for tools, right? Again, wasteful movement. Then people placing the screws and bolts before tightening it, that is a wasteful movement. Placing the screw, it's a wasteful movement. Adjustments, right? Locating the product in the machine, that is a wasteful movement. So there are a lot of wasteful movements which are happening in your operations. Okay, when you can analyze a particular operation, classify the sub elements, the sub activities, and then identify the work and the wasteful movements, there is a lot of improvement ideas which are possible, right? So this is what we need to do to reduce these waste. The moment we start reducing these waste, automatically the output from the person will increase, from the process will increase. And this is how you can improve the productivity of the labor. And this is by waste elimination. And when we are able to identify the waste inside the operation by the people, the movements, and start reducing these movements, wasteful movements, automatically the work done by the person will increase. And that is the respect which we are giving for the employee. So this is what is meant by respect for the people in the lean pillar. So maybe after this video, what you can do is you can go to your operations, select one particular operation, take a video shoot or go and observe and start identifying the sub elements in that activity, sub processes, and then classify them as work and movement. And all these wasteful movements can you eliminate, can you reduce, and start taking action. So this will bring a lot of improvement to your processes. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you will like this particular video, and you can also share it with your team members so that they can learn about the difference between work and the movements, and they can also start practicing in the shop floor. And you can click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you'll get a notification. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in lean manufacturing, there are a couple of courses in our free bundle where we have given 2 courses. One is a lean champion course aimed at young engineers and diploma holders. They can take it and they can get certified also. And there is another course called Manufacturing Leadership Program. Again, it's a free course. It's also in the bundle. It talks about a general management or manufacturing managers requirements. So things like Lean, 5S, Six Sigma, all the basic things which a shop floor supervisor should know. These concepts are being taught in that particular program. Both the courses are free courses. You can join them, and the link is in the description. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye.